How to buy USDT on TrustWallet. To do so, launch open your TrustWallet app and make sure that you are connected to your wallet. Now once you are, tap the buy button at the top of the screen. In the search box, search for USDT. Now, you'll be able to see the Tether USDT tokens displayed on the screen. Select one of the options and then enter the amount of US dollar you are willing to spend for the purchase. Now, once your result has been shown right beneath, tap on the third-party provider option and select one of the providers from the list. I'm going to select the best rate option, which is Mercurio. Now finally tap on the next button at the bottom and follow through the prompts in order to buy USDT on TrustWallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.